Hello, welcome back to my channel. Did you know that every household in Singapore can get one free oximeter? The leaflet was sent to our letterbox until the 3rd of July. You may collect your free oximeter at the following: Fair Price, Shengsen, Giant, Cold Storage, Watson Unity and Guardian. Check this website for more details.
Ayun, nakalagay fair price, fair price.
To collect, you need to bring is the leaflet. When can you collect? You can get from the 5th of July to the 5th of August, so by now all must have collected already. The oximeter can help us check a dangerous drop in our oxygen level that could be a symptom of COVID-19. To learn more about Oximeter, go to the stayprepared.sg website. Why do we need an oximeter? Watch this video and learn how it helps in early detection of COVID virus infection. This video is also available in YouTube. Now let's do the unboxing. Here is what we got. Besides the oximeter, inside the box also have a manual, a lanyard and 2 AAA-sized batteries. The oximeter must be used regularly. Here's how. Step 1. Insert the batteries and switch the power on. Step 2. Hold the oximeter with one hand and open the clip to place the finger of the other hand. The oximeter should start. Wait until it is done. The result will be displayed. No irregularity found means your oxygen level is normal. After using, attach the lanyard to the device. Keep this handy for regular use. We thank the generous sponsors for giving out this free oximeter. If you do not own yet, oximeters are easily available. Buy one for your family. Thank you for watching this video. Please share and click the notification bell for updates. Keep safe, everyone. Stay prepared.